Review. I recently purchased the all-new Blink Outdoor 4 4th Gen camera system, and I must say, it has exceeded my expectations. As someone who values home security, I was looking for a reliable and easy-to-use smart security camera, and this product delivered on all fronts. One of the standout features of this camera is its impressive 2-year battery life. This means I don't have to worry about constantly recharging or replacing batteries, which is a huge convenience. It gives me peace of mind knowing that my property is being monitored without any interruptions. The HD live view provided by the Blink Outdoor 4 is crystal clear, allowing me to monitor my surroundings with great detail. Whether it's checking on my front porch or keeping an eye on my backyard, the camera captures everything in high definition. This level of clarity is essential for identifying any potential threats or suspicious activities. The enhanced motion detection feature is another aspect that impressed me. The camera is quick to detect any movement and sends instant notifications to my smartphone. This ensures that I am always aware of what's happening around my property, even when I'm not at home. The customizable motion zones also allow me to focus on specific areas, reducing false alarms and unnecessary notifications. The two-way audio feature is a great addition, as it allows me to communicate with visitors or potential intruders remotely. Whether it's instructing a delivery person or deterring unwanted guests, the ability to speak through the camera adds an extra layer of security and convenience. Furthermore, the Blink Outdoor 4 seamlessly integrates with Alexa, making it even more user-friendly. I can easily control the camera using voice commands, such as viewing the live feed on my Echo Show or arming/disarming the camera system. This integration enhances the overall smart home experience. Setting up the Blink Outdoor 4 was a breeze. The instructions provided were clear, and the Blink app guided me through the process step by step. Within minutes, I had the camera up and running, connected to my home Wi-Fi network. In conclusion, the all-new Blink Outdoor 4 4th Gen is an outstanding wire-free smart security camera system. With its long battery life, HD live view, enhanced motion detection, two-way audio, and seamless integration with Alexa, it offers a comprehensive and reliable home security solution. I highly recommend this product to anyone in need of a top-notch security camera system.